In this video, I share how I fixed my marketing in 9 days. If you're running an online business, let me ask you a brutal question. How much time and money have you wasted chasing leads that go absolutely nowhere? Most of us switch platforms, buy ads that don't convert, or hire experts who just deliver noise instead of results. I was stuck in that exact same cycle until I found this. This is the 9-day ideal customer magnet blueprint, and today I'm giving you my honest review of why this completely changed how I look at my marketing. What hooked me immediately is that this isn't some 500-page book full of marketing fluff or theories. It's a calm, highly structured guide that cuts straight to the point. The core philosophy here is simple. Clarity first, customers on demand second. Most of us struggle because we try to market to everyone, which means we end up attracting no one. This blueprint completely ends that confusion. It breaks down your strategy into 3 core pillars over 9 days. Module 1. Perfect Customer Reveal. This helps you figure out exactly who your ideal customer is, what keeps them up at night, and how to define your unique selling proposition in just 1 sentence. Module 2. Perfect Customer Attraction. How to build a frictionless, low-resistance path that guides people seamlessly from curiosity to commitment without any high-pressure sales tactics. Module 3. Perfect Customer Retention. This is the goldmine most people skip. It shows you how to turn a one-time buyer into a lifetime advocate who does your marketing for you. Now, my absolute favorite part about this blueprint is how it integrates AI. A lot of people use AI just for cheap shortcuts, but this guide teaches you how to use it for deep strategy. It includes exact copy and paste prompts to help you build out customer personas, map journeys, and generate platform-specific messaging frameworks for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram. It completely removes the guesswork. Instead of spending thousands on marketing consultants, you basically get an AI-powered acquisition strategist right on your screen. The verdict? So, if you are tired of unpredictable revenue and want a simple, proven process to get customers on demand with zero wasted effort, you need to grab this blueprint. It takes you right out of the chaos and gives you complete control over your growth. It completely transformed my approach, and it's used by tens of thousands of SME business owners and entrepreneurs for a reason. I've left the official link in the description below so you can check out the full Ideal Customer Magnet system for yourself. Go grab your copy, start your 9 days, and drop a comment below letting me know what your business is. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business tools breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next video.